Welcome to my Digital IT. Today I am going to discuss about Crest 3D White Strips, Professional Effects, Teeth Whitening Strip Kit. Brand name is Crest. Product benefits are whitening. Item form is strip. About this item, 20 levels whiter in just 22 days. Removes over 20 years of tough set-in stains. Number 1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening brand. Uses the same whitening ingredient as dentists. Enamel safe and effective. Product description: Whiten teeth at home? Then Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects Plus 1 Hour Express Bonus offering is designed to whiten like a professional level teeth whitening treatment at home. The advanced seal technologies are comfortable. No slip grip means the strips stay put until you take them off, allowing you to talk and even drink water while whitening your teeth. Made by the number 1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening brand, Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effects will give you a 100% noticeably whiter smile, guaranteed. Using the same hydrogen peroxide whitening ingredient as dentists, this enamel-safe at-home teeth whitening kit will make your teeth 20 levels whiter. Simply apply 20 treatments of Crest 3D White Strips.
Hello everyone, my name's Trisha and today I wanted to show you how to apply Crest 3D White Strips. Now, these are both 30-minute and you get 2 1-hour strips that you can use to remove years of staining from your teeth, and again, just 30 minutes to an hour. If you've never used them before, they're very, very simple to use, and let's go ahead and check them out. So I'm going to take out one 30-minute white strip that you can see just here. Give my camera just a moment there. And I'll switch to my other camera to show you how it's done. Here we go. Okay, so we've got our white strips here. You'll see they come with like a little spot to open, so you can rip those on either side. And of course, I'm, having a hard time right now because we're filming, but here it is. Ha ha ha. There we go. So you can easily open it and then take your strips right out. So you'll see there's one side that it's stuck clear. That's the side you put down. The longer strip, you can see there's a longer and a shorter. The longer strip is the top strip and the shorter strip is your bottom strip. I always like apply the top strip first. And this is not something it says to do in the directions, but I find it easier if you let your teeth dry a little bit first. So I find them to have a better stick if you do that. So whether you just kind of breathe a lot of air through or take a tissue and actually dab, however you like to do it. Then when you're ready, you peel the strips off one at a time. There is a noticeably sticky side and a not sticky side. So again, just a little to dry it, and here we go. So there's. So what I did there was line it up with the top of my gums, put it on, and fold up underneath. Now, once you have this pressed on, I can still talk. I could still drink water if I needed to, but let's go ahead and put on the bottom strip. Again, you'll be able to feel which side is the sticky side. Dry it off a little. And fold back over. Now, once I have those on there, again, I mean, you can probably hear that it's a little more difficult to talk, but being that I only need right now to start a 30-minute timer, then I just pull them off and I'm good to go. That's pretty awesome.
Greetings from me, my name is Mark. I have now pulled the trigger on these and I would like to invite you to an experiment. I would like to do this for 5 days or maybe 10, I haven't decided yet, because I know that the process is gradual, right? They get wider by small increments. So are you ready? As you know, there is a long one and a shorter one. The longer one goes at the top. But before we start, of course, okay, so I just brushed my teeth as well. I should probably add that. And now let's go. How are you today? I'll see you tomorrow. So today is day 2 and I'm gonna put this one on now. Just brushed my teeth just like yesterday, and I'm also curious if these dark spots, the tartar or the calculus, if it's going to do anything to that as well or not. I know it's very gradual.
Hey, it's Carly from the Midwest Market, and I'm here to share with you one of my best kept secrets. And my secret is keeping my teeth white, and that is using Crest Whitestrips. These things are so simple to do. All you have to do is peel them and stick them. I like to put them on right before I get in the shower in the morning, so as soon as I'm out, I can get ready for the day and my teeth will already be white. But this is a 3D whitening strip, and they are dental whitening. So it comes with a bonus 2 1-hour treatments. So that's going to get all of your deepest and darkest stains. And it comes with 44 strips, 20 professional treatments. So you're going to use these a couple times a week until your teeth start to get white. They do recommend doing this twice a year. So one kit should last you about 6 months, and then your next one should last you 6 months as well. So your teeth will gradually start to discolor over time, especially if you enjoy things like coffee or red wine. So to keep your teeth constantly white, this is going to be an investment, a time and money investment, but it is well worth it. But I'm going to go ahead and open the box and demonstrate. like. And we have the Express Whitening. So this is the deep one that's going to have one upper and one lower strip. They have 2 of these in the package, so it's 1 hour whitening. It's going to be for your deepest whitening that they have. And then you have 20 of these with one upper and one lower. So really simple to do with these. All you have to do is open it up. And this is your strip here. So larger one for the top. And you're just gonna smile. So these things fit your teeth really well. I've had some that don't stick on my teeth, but these are probably one of the best ones that they have. And it doesn't really have any kind of flavor or any chemical taste to it. So we're gonna put this one on the bottom. Now that they're on, we just need to wait about 45 minutes and then we take them off, and hopefully my teeth are going to be a little bit lighter. You do need to be patient with these. They need multiple sessions and you need to be consistent about it and keep up on it. So just consistently do it for probably every year. So if you want really nice teeth, then you got to take care of them and make sure they look their best.